Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am trying the new, I'm at work, I'm trying the new apple pie Kit Kat, y'all. I cannot wait to try it. And I went ahead and got a birthday cake. Yeah. And okay, so here's the apple pie Kit Kat. I'm about to try it and see what it tastes like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like this, and it's the apple pie, you guys. Mm. Okay, this tastes like you're eating an apple pie. Mm. It straight up tastes like apple pie. I love apple pie, you guys. That is so good. So good. Okay, so I already tried the birthday cake. My daughter's tried the mint. I haven't tried the white chocolate, and I love the regular. This is really good, you guys. But yeah, I'm at work. Um, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The music's about to start, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.